At ako po ay nag-request na, I think twice, sa National Bureau of Investigation ng whereabouts ng tatlo para po yung hustisya ng aking kaso ay mailabas ang tunay at totoo kung sino talaga ang mafia ng droga.
Mr. Chair, the name of Benny Antaporda and Paul Gutierrez has already come up several times in these hearings. May I know if Mr. Benny Antaporda and Mr. Paul Gutierrez is present at this point?
Yes, Your Honor. I think Mr. Benny Antiporda is here and Mr. Paul Gutierrez is here behind you, Your Honor.
Can we ask them so I can ask a question
Okay, Paige,
regarding to the affidavit of Mr. Guban?
Paige, can you please assist Mr. Antiporda and Mr. Paul Gutierrez?